In this tutorial, we will be showing how to use the Business Search tool in VAlert. In this specific use case, we will be showing using the tool with an alternative search area near Search Center. Let's click on Tools in the lower left menu, then Business Search. On the top, select Near Search Center. Here, we can enter a city, state, or full address. We will specify Boulder, Colorado. For search radius, we will choose 2 miles for this example. Below, under Business Types, let's search for coffee in the Search Business Types text box. Now, select Coffee Tea under Eat and Drink, then unselect Tea House. Now click Search to perform a business search. Here we see all the coffee shops in Boulder, Colorado that fall within a 2-mile radius from city center. The total number is 62, but what if we are interested specifically in Starbucks coffee shops? For this case, we will utilize the keyword filter. Type in Starbucks here, then click Search. Here we see 7 Starbucks in Boulder within that 2-mile radius. In the left side panel, we see our results. The list is sorted by distance to the address center, or in this case, to the city center of Boulder, shortest at the top. Notice the black pin icons on the map for each returned Starbucks. If you hover over any of these icons, you will see the business name, potential website, address, and phone number. You can also click on an icon, which will select and expand that business in the left panel. Place type and hours of operation are additional pieces of information seen here. This concludes this training on using the Business Search tool with the Near Search Center search area in VAlert.